If you've been struggling with cleaning windows, especially those high, hard to reach ones, this Easer 2-in-1 window cleaner tool might be exactly what you need. I've been testing this window cleaning kit for a couple of weeks now, and I want to show you exactly how it performs and whether it's worth considering for your home cleaning routine. The biggest challenge with window cleaning isn't just the cleaning itself, it's reaching those high windows safely while getting professional looking results. Most people either risk using unstable ladders or settle for streaky windows they can't quite reach properly. This Easer kit takes a different approach by combining a telescopic pole system with a 2-in-1 cleaning head that handles both washing and squeegeeing, so you can clean any window from ground level with consistent pressure and control. What makes this tool effective is the 2-in-1 design. You get both a microfiber washing pad and a squeegee in one tool, so you can wash and squeegee without switching equipment. The telescopic pole extends from 23 to 64 inches, which means you can clean everything from low bathroom windows to higher elevated windows from the ground. The rotatable head is a game changer. You can adjust it to 5 different angles with just a button push, giving you 180 degrees of movement. This means you can maintain proper contact with the glass even on angled or hard to reach windows. You get 2 different squeegee sizes, 10-inch and 14-inch, so you can match the tool to your window size. The aluminum construction keeps it lightweight, which is crucial when you're working overhead for extended periods. The kit includes 4 different cloths, microfiber ones for drying and chenille cloths that are extremely absorbent for the initial cleaning phase. Here's how this actually works in practice. First, you'll assemble the telescopic pole. Everything clicks into place with ease, though getting the squeegee attachment positioned correctly takes a bit of effort initially. Once assembled, you start with the washing side using the chenille cloth, which holds water exceptionally well and does a thorough job of loosening dirt and grime. Then you flip the head over to the squeegee side for streak-free drying. The key to getting professional results is using that adjustable head feature. When I tested this on different window angles, being able to tilt the head with a simple button push meant I could maintain consistent pressure across the entire glass surface. For high windows, extend the pole to your needed length and work from top to bottom in smooth overlapping strokes. The lightweight aluminum design means your arms won't fatigue quickly, even during longer cleaning sessions. Pro tip, the microfiber cloths are perfect for final touch-ups on any spots the squeegee might have missed. Compared to traditional separate squeegee and washing tools, this eliminates the need to juggle multiple pieces of equipment while you're working. Most basic window cleaning kits don't offer the rotatable head feature, which makes a significant difference on non-standard windows or when working at awkward angles. The telescopic range of 23 to 64 inches covers most residential needs without requiring professional extension poles. At 4.5 stars from 58 reviews, users consistently praise the ease of assembly and the effectiveness of the dual cloth system. The price point positions this as a mid-range option that delivers professional grade features without the professional price tag. Based on my testing experience, this Easer 2-in-1 system delivers solid value for homeowners who want professional window cleaning results without the safety risks or hassle of ladders. The combination of the rotatable head, quality cloths, and lightweight telescopic design makes it easier to get streak-free windows. It works best for people with multiple windows of varying heights who want one tool that handles the complete cleaning process. The main limitation is that learning to position the squeegee attachment properly takes some practice initially. If you're looking for a comprehensive window cleaning solution that can handle both regular maintenance and deep cleaning tasks, this kit provides the features and build quality to make window cleaning more efficient and effective.